Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is the first alternate card using elements from the 2024 June Paper Pumpkin Kit called Life is Sweet. I've used the die from the Thanks and Beyond dies, but if you wanted to do the same thing and you don't have the dies, there is the Thanks stamp that you could use. It'll work exactly the same way. I'm going to stamp You're Truly Amazing on one of the banners. I'm using one of the cards from the set. I'm going to use Pretty in Pink, and I've used Pretty in Pink cardstock for the dies. So we're just going to pop this down. I'm just going to move everything over so that I can see it. And just drop down like that. And there we go. So You're Truly Amazing. So I'm just using the adhesive dots on these, and I'm going to put one of these towards the bottom like this. You could dimensionalize these if you wanted to. That would certainly work as well, but I'm not going to do that. But of course, with your cards, you can do whatever you like. And I'm going to put one at the top. These just give me my kind of registration points for where to put the other ones. So we've got our first two there. So I'm going to pop another one there. And I'm just going to work these in so that I know I'm going to be even when I'm putting them down. So like that. So I'm going to tuck the middle one in next. And then, oops, I want to let go. There we go. Okay, so I'll put this one in so that I can line the other two up kind of equidistant. And then we can put the front on the card, and I'm going to use some of the gems from the set, but I like this Pretty in Pink, so I thought I'd use that first. I'm just going to tuck this down in the correct place, about there, making sure I'm straight. There we go. You could certainly, if you're using the dies, you could certainly use adhesive sheets and make these full stickers. I didn't, because I felt there was enough for the adhesive to grab onto to stick them down just like this. So there. So we've got our 5 thanks, and then I'm going to put this down like this. I'm going to put some mini dimensionals on the back of this, and it is jumping around like a little jumping bean. There we go. And so I'm going to put this right here, right in the middle like that. And then we're going to grab some of these gems. Oh, I'm going to squash that putty back down. And I'm going to pop one up here. I'm going to go with one down here, and then one kind of off to the side there. So that is our first alternate using elements from the June 2024 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for more alternates one every day this week, and let's create together again soon.